Just now? Huh? So this is the thumbnail. Come now, come. It falls. That's all. So guys, welcome to the unveiling, unboxing, and opening of the advent calendar. Items. Clearly, I know you want to go through all. We're going through. Okay, let's go in order. Start with this one. Okay, start with this one first. This one first. This one first. This one first.
Number one.
So we're gonna have Niall open each item.
Okay, alright.
I guess in any order she chooses.
Yeah. Okay, so she already took out two.
She took out two.
I want it.
I know you want it. Okay, what else you got?
So two.
So this is two. Open this one. Open that one. Let's see what's inside. So then we just put it all together. See the haul of what she got from this advent calendar event of the century. What's that? What's this? Gummies. Nice.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
next one.
What's
Okay, open
inside?
this one now.
Next one.
Let's Alright, what's inside there? Put a paper in there. What's the paper say? Like you can read it. I don't know. Okay, give me the paper and I'll tell you what it says. Let me see. It says
Fruit Loop.
Fruit Loops!
In there. It's all
Ta-da! Look! Look! You get Fruit Loops! Yes! Okay, drop it in here. Drop them in here. You open the next one. This one now. 3. Open it. Pow! Punch it. Whoa! Look what's inside. What's in there? What does the paper say?
It says Smalter.
Ta-da! Smalter! You got a smalter! This is yours! Nice! What else? Punch this one! Punch it hard!
Yeah.
Punch it outside! Oh!
Okay,
You
good.
take too strong. Okay, what does this one say? Open it! Look in here!
Ruler and pencil.
They attached?
Yeah.
Watch! Ruler and pencil! Yeah! Okay, now 5. Now let's do 5.
Do this one. Punch this one.
What's in 5? Let's do
Hit
5.
this one, hit
Hit
this
this one. Punch it, punch it!
Don't
Rip it off.
Sure.
Your choice. Okay, put your hand down inside. Pull it out. What's that? That's a gummies.
Okay, good. Next one. Look more. Look
Punch
more.
this one. Look at that more
Come
here.
on, see here. What you
Look,
have?
you have real plenty. What's that? What does the paper say? Let's see. The paper says, Smalter! Another Smalter! And we excited and we just like blah.
Yeah.
Put it open, put it open. What's in here? What's in there? Pull it open, pull it open, pull it open! What's this? Pringles. Okay,
Next
put
one.
it
This one.
What's in here? What's in that? Pull it open, pull it open. Oh! Okay, oh. You got that trap we kept, we caught you. What's this? Oh, this is much.
Okay, next.
Yeah, too long. Open number 10. Oh, rabbit, sure. Rabbit. What's that? It's a ring pop.
It's a lollipop.
It's a lolly.
I want to get it, please.
Okay,
Just
just now.
now.
We have
Come on,
more
this
to
one.
open.
You have more.
We have more to
Look, you have
open.
plenty more still. You reach day 10. Look,
next one.
11.
And
Ribbit. Put your hand on inside. Whoa, what's this? A Rubik's Cube. It's a Rubik's Cube. You have to get your cousin to show you how to do this because he's the smart one.
Hey.
Nico will show you how to do this one, okay? Nico will show you how to do this one because I never figured it out.
12. Next one.
Come, 12. Punch this one. Punch, 12. 12. Boom. What's inside? Oh, what's that? Pull it out.
More good.
Oh my gosh. Gummies. You ever tasted this? I never tasted it. This is gonna last until the end of January because it's real sweets. It is yours.
What January?
Okay, 13.
More February.
Disclaimer, she's not eating all of this now.
Yeah.
Okay?
No.
She doesn't eat sweets that often.
Yeah.
This is going to last a while. Okay. 15. What's in there? What's in there? Whoa, what's inside? What's this? What? What is this? This looks like a... Is it a glasses? Yeah? How do you... Oh wait, things coming up. That's me. This, is it the glasses? Oh yes, okay. not?
I'm not sure.
Look how we even
I want to put on the castle.
Whoa! 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 Wow! Oh wait. Okay, just now. Whoa! Show mommy.
Ooh, you so cool.
You're so cool. Nice.
Okay.
Number 14.
Yeah.
Hit it on.
Hit it. Wow! What's that?
It's a
A
baby.
lollipop!
Okay, next
Yeah,
one.
we meant to get more toys. Next year we better. Alright, so come back next year because next year we will be more prepared. We'll do a proper advent calendar.
Oh, this
We'll
one
make
is
it
small.
again and this one will be the same thing. What's that?
Small time.
Oh my god! She next smarter!
No, she don't care about that.
She does not
Next.
care about smarter. We're on 16. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Just hold it.
Go ahead. Put your hand on that side.
Paper.
Yeah, I'll pick it.
Oh, that's important. See
What does it say? It says, drum roll, give me a drum roll. Workbook. This?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Workbook. Shapes and colors and shapes. So it has a lot of nice things in here. We tried coloring some things already. Look! Shape. What shape is this? What's this?
Okay, next.
That's
Moving on, moving on.
17. Hit it.
Oh, you
But
done?
I hit it. My enthusiasm is higher than yours. Pow! What's inside there? Check it out. Gummies!
Yeah. Next one.
18.
Next one.
Nice. 18. Hit it. Hit it. You're missing the entire cup. Hit it. Boom! Put your hand on the inside, pull it out. What's in there? Paper. Let me see. What does it say? Drum roll. Give me a drum roll. Nice, you're learning. This is pen shape.
Fan.
Oh, fan. There you go.
I want to shoot the fan.
It's a fan. So you have to untape everything.
Oh, shoot.
I do 19 in the meantime. We'll come back to that one. Do 19. Do 19 and you'll come back to that after when mommy finish opening it. Here, this one. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Put your hand down. Push your hand down inside. What is inside it? Open it up. Eh. What is it? What's this? Nice bands. You can wear them on your hand, on your foot, in your hair, any way you choose to, okay? May not use more rubber band and other random things anymore. Whoa, there's a fan.
It's mine.
It is yours.
So this
Look,
one-
this is the fan to give you breeze.
Hey.
This is gonna have a short line. Watch now. I'm much. Oh,
Alright, next one.
20.
What is it?
20. This one here. Yeah, you hit it very hard. Go ahead. Pull it out. What's that?
It's a gummy.
That's a gummies. Nice. 21. Here. Whoa, hit it. What's inside? Whoa. Okay, put that inside. Oh, what's that?
Gummy.
Yeah.
Okay, she obsessed with gummies.
Clearly.
Same.
Yeah.
She just kept just different.
She's good. Yeah. Hit it. Wow.
Okay, good.
Alright, pull it up. What's inside? Our next ring pop. Yeah.
Okay,
not today.
Okay.
23, open this one. Hit it. No, wait. So 23. I know you've seen what's in 25, but that's the last one. Come 23. What's in that? Oh, she does. Oh, wait. 24. 24.
This one, this
She did. She came on gummies. Oh, she's 25. Hit it. Alright, put your hand. That's fine. She probably out of the frame or kind of thing. Oh, okay. I guess that could work too. Whoa, what's this?
Bands.
That's bands.
Bands.
Bands for your hands.
Not for your hair, your hands.
With a little zip. It's so nice.
Put it on your hand.
Put it on your hand. Nice. Alright, now for the last one, the event of the century. Are you ready? Open the last one. Oh my gosh! Okay, this can slide away. Bring you into the center of the frame. Slide. What is it? Okay, just now. Oh, this.
It's blue so dear.
Sure, no. I just rip it off with my hand. With my bare hands, I'll. With my bare hands, I'll. See? Super easy. Bare inconvenience. Nice. What is this? Oh wait, this thing stick on just now.
What's the good?
Whoa! Put this on. Let me see. Look at you, cool kid. Don't be fooled with the rock that you got. Alright, give me a pose now. Give me a pose. Ta-da! Pay it on. Give me a pose. Ah! Nice. Alright.
Let's have some bonus things in there.
And your hair here?
In the box.
Oh. And the bonus! Pew! 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 Pew!
Some other things in the box.
Whoa.
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
What's that?
Candy! We cannot get in, but candy, nonetheless.
Look, what's this? What's this?
This.
And what's this?
This.
What is this?
Cereal.
Cereal. And what's this?
Papa.
You could have put these in and let's go. These in the thing.
Papa.
Oh, that not is one less. Oh, shucks, that was. You know, that's pow pow.
That's mine.
Well, I mean, to an extent. It's
What's
mostly
that?
yours.
It's empty, no?
Yeah, it's empty now. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. This was a little crazy, but we had a good time.
Yeah. Next year we will be better.
Next
We
year
will
will
do
definitely be better.
We
Can I put on yours? Put on your shades?
will do better.
That looks super cool.
Sorry.
You have on glasses?
No.
What do you mean?
No.
Right, watch your camera and say bye.
Bye.
Watch your camera, watch your camera. Wave at the camera. Watch your camera, wave at the camera. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Tell them Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Nice. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you decide to like, decide to subscribe to my channel, well, I'll be very happy. Have a good one, y'all. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Christmas. Be safe out there. And catch you in the next one. I miss them. It's just a close-up of everything here.
I want to eat it.
You want to eat it?
You can get. What should we get?
What can you get now?